Welcome everyone. Thank you for joining our today webinar session. I am Namu here from Viskou 68. So I have to introduce my teammate Shafika from sales department.
Hi.
And also Fidat for our technical department.
Hi.
Since our last webinar finished perfectly, we will do more interesting topic to share to you all in the future. So today, our topic is which recently our customer looking for this product. So now I would like to invite my teammate Shafika to share this topic to you all.
Okay. Thank you, Norman. Hello, everyone. I'm Shafika from Sales Department. Okay. Our topic today is Hikvison ColorVu. I would like to share our product Hikvison ColorVu camera to you all. Okay, first of all, I want to explain why we need ColorVu camera. Because of darkness in surrounding environment, to prevent theft or other crime. However, we don't want anything bad happen to our vehicle or ourselves. If you use a conventional camera with infrared lighting, especially for night monitoring, let's say you want to monitor people, vehicle, or other important object, blur or blend, it will make you difficult to identify details. However, conventional camera only can see black and white image. So ColorVu technology is our solution to this common challenge faced by many security system users. What is Hikvison ColorVu technology? Hikvison ColorVu have powerful ability to capture detail in low lighting, which are advanced lenses and high performance sensor. ColorVu camera guarantee video with colorful detail even in extremely dark. Now I will tell you why you need to choose Hikvison ColorVu camera. First, Hikvison ColorVu is friendly lighting. They have supplemental light that only needed for extremely dark environment. Second, they have advanced sensor, which is vastly improve the utilization of available light, and also self-adaptive 3D digital noise reduction to remove noise and to ensure full motion review. And third, they have f1.0 Super Aperture, which is to collect more light to produce brighter image. And also they have 4 times the amount of light of conventional camera. Now, let's enter the topic for camera performance and key benefit for your information. They have a few key of benefit for full color video. First, Hikvison ColorVu have true color information, which is very accurate in color rendering, and also excellent performance in low light environment. Second, this camera also have more detailed performance. When you capture a photo or video, the color information are very clear and detailed compared to black and white image. Third, Hikvison ColorVu have better visual experience, which is to balance brightness. And also Super Aperture and advanced sensor guarantee realistic rendering. And I will share to you all where to install the camera. First, in residential area like housing, townhouse, and also apartment. Second, you can install in business area like inside a mall, shop, and inside storeroom. Third, you can install in parking lot. Not all parking lot have street lighting. So mostly in parking lot area, the place is very dark. So it's very suitable to put the ColorVu camera. And last, you can install ColorVu camera at playground or recreation area. Okay, now let's see the video about nighttime performance comparison between ColorVu camera and conventional camera. provide much better video and clear image with color. Now, I will explain to you about Hikvison ColorVu product. They have a few types of ColorVu product, which is 2MP and 5MP analog camera and IP camera as well. Here is an example of Hikvison ColorVu product, which is 2MP and 5MP bullet and dome. So, the bullet camera is suitable to install in outdoor and indoor area. For dome camera, you can install in indoor area. So as you can see, here the features of Hikvison 2MP bullet camera. They have full-time color bullet camera, which means 24-hour full color imaging. Also, warm supplemental light with 20-meter range. Clear imaging against strong backlight due to 120 dB true WDR technology. They have 3D DNR technology deliver clean and sharp image. Also, they have water and dust resistant IP67. Also support 4-in-1 signal switchable CBI, AHD, CBI, and also CVBS. So, Hikvison has been leading the security industry in imaging for years. That tradition continues with our powerful new Hikvison ColorVu technology. ColorVu technology enables camera to produce colorful video even in extremely dimly environment. Okay, now let's watch the video to see how color helps to tell the true story. Next, I will pass to my teammate Firdaus to continue.
Thank you, Shamika. Hello everyone, I'm Firdaus from Technical Department. So now I'm going to unboxing this 2MP analog bullet ColorVu camera. But before unboxing, let's take a quick look on the box. On the side here, you will get the camera information like the serial number, model name, lens size, and other significant information of the camera. And on the top here, you will see the camera illustration and some main highlight features of this camera, which is the full-time color, HD TBI technology, HD video output, and last one is the IP67 weatherproof. So now let's unboxing this camera. So on the inside, you will get the quick start guide, which is the installation guide of this camera, the drilling template, screw and wall plug, and the most important thing is this camera inside. So from the appearance, you can see the camera lens here and the supplement light at the bottom. And for the body of the camera, you got two options, whether full metal or plastic. This one is plastic, and the bracket is can install to either wall or ceiling mount. And at the back here, you will see got three common cable for the analog camera, which is the power cable, the BNC cable for display, and the 4-in-1 button to switch the video format either to CVI, TVI, CVBS, or HD. Now let's power on this camera. So let's wait 5 to 10 seconds to let it power on. So by default, the camera will be 24 hours color mode. So you don't need to enable it or configure it. And it cannot be changed to common black and white mode on dark environment. Plus, it will be no point to have this ColorVu camera if you still want black and white image on dark environment. So now the camera is already turned on. So I'm going to cover the camera lens to activate the supplement light. So as you can see here, the supplement light is already turned on, and this camera is able to give a much better and clear image to surroundings. So now I'm going to enter the OSD menu of this camera. So to enter the OSD menu, first you will need to go to this camera view, and then go to the PTZ control and click the menu icon. I believe most of you already know how to do that. So from the OSD menu, you will have some basic configuration for the camera, which is the video format to change the camera resolution and frame rates. The next one is the exposure, which to change the camera light exposure like WDR, BLC, and HLC. The next one is the video settings, which to change the image mode, white balance, brightness, and contrast. And then the smart light setting, which is to turn the supplement light on, off, or set it to auto, to set the threshold or sensitivity of the light, and to set the level or brightness of the supplement light. And the last one is to configure the function of this camera, which is the motion and the privacy mask for the camera. So that's all for unboxing and configuration parts. Now I pass to my colleague for Q&A session.
Okay, thank you Shafiqa and Tezas for the sharing about the HID Vision ColorVu camera. Now let's enter the Q&A section. If you all have any questions about this camera, you can leave a message at the Q&A comment box. Before we enter the session, I have collected some common questions about this camera. So now I would like to invite Shafiqa and Tizal to answer this question. Okay. So the first question is the ColorVu camera only compatible to high-end DVR?
No. ColorVu camera can connect to any HID DVR, can use normal DVR, and also can use high-end DVR.
Okay, so that's great. So another question for Vinos. Okay, what is the effect when you turn off the white light on the camera at night?
So if you turn off the supplement light on the camera, you will still get the 24-hour color mode, but then the image you get is not as clear or better than compared to you turn on the supplement light.
Okay, so thank you for the answer, Vinos. So now we have some questions here from our customer from Golf. Okay, so the question is installation of this ColorVu camera. Is there any different with normal camera?
So for the installation, this ColorVu camera is similar to other analog camera, which is it is totally plug and play. You no need to enable or configure anything.
Okay.
From Christy, can install this camera at inside house or office? Answer is yes. Can use this camera for indoor and outdoor. Indoor can use full type camera, and outdoor can use full type.
So thank you, Shafiqa. So if still have any question, you can leave in this comment Q&A comment box. Another question is it this camera have 5 megapixels? Yes. For now, this analog Colorvy camera, we have 2 MP and 5 MP as well.
So the next one is the camera is waterproof. So yes, the camera comes with the IP67 waterproof. So it is totally waterproof.
Can this camera use in any dark environment? Yes, can use in any dark environment.
Okay, so thank you for the questions and answer. So if still have any questions about this Colorvy camera, you can contact to our any salesman. Okay, so we will end the webinar soon. So that's all for today's webinar. So see you all on the coming webinar. Thank you and bye bye.